Hello everyone, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get long hairstyle on TikTok app. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back here home screen, and after that open your Play Store and App Store, and from here you search for this Face app. Tap on Face app. From here what you need to do it, install this type of app, Face app, and after installing this app tap on open, and from here select your anyone picture like this picture. From here you guys can see many options, size, age, smile and other features. Tap on hairstyle and select anyone hairstyle. Tap on this, tap on long hairstyle, and after that tap on apply and tap on save. Tap on this. After that go back here home screen and open your TikTok app. Tap on this. From here select anyone sound and tap on plus icon. And select your upload photo and tap on this and select your picture and tap on next. That's it. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.